Good morning, everyone. I'm Vince Lancy. It's Friday, the day after American Thanksgiving. It's 7:32 a.m., and we're going to do a special market rundown. It's supposed to be off today, but there was some significant news last night that anyone who's waking up after a long holiday dinner might be a little bit surprised by. The news item, you're looking at the gold spot market on your screen there. The news item is CME Group halted trading across its futures and options markets late Thursday after a data center cooling failure disrupted the CME Globex platform, interrupting live pricing in commodities, treasuries, equity index futures, and foreign exchange during early Asian trading. CME first acknowledged the disruption on November 27th at around 2200 Central Time, reporting that, quote, a cooling issue at Cyrus 1 data centers had forced a halt of all CME Globex and EBS electronic markets. The issue affected benchmark contracts, including crude oil, gold, the S&P 500 futures, FX pairs, and U.S. Treasuries. Bloomberg's initial flash update reported, quote, live trading of commodities futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange has halted, according to traders who monitor the platform. Contracts include crude oil and palm oil are affected in Friday morning Asian trading. Bloomberg added that CME Group, quote, at the moment did not immediately respond to Bloomberg queries. The halt extended across asset classes and persisted longer than a similar multi-hour outage in 2019. According to Bloomberg's follow-up report, the impact of the malfunction across a slew of markets from crude oil to treasuries and S&P 500 futures, already longer than a similar hours-long outage back in 2019, is a reminder of the reach of CME and its Globex electronic platform. Market participants described operational difficulty and growing concern as price feeds stalled worldwide. Bloomberg again noted it has also triggered widespread frustration as market participants contemplated the prospect of a lost trading session. Strategists cited the timing of the halt immediately following the U.S. Thanksgiving holiday as a compounding factor given reduced liquidity. Liquidity is already thin, Chanana said, so even a brief halt can distort price discovery in treasuries, FX, and commodities. He is the chief economist strategist at Saxo Markets in Singapore. The main risk is a burst of catch-up volatility when they reopen, I would presume he means. CME said its teams were working with Cyrus 1 to restore systems and would issue, quote, pre-open details once the environment stabilized. As of early Friday U.S. hours, no firm restart time had been published. Now, there are many takes, humorous and serious, going around. We've contributed to the humorous ones last night. We were up most of the night monitoring it. But we're going to give you three, we think, really feasible. These are points that need to be made so we can see how it resolves itself, the path, so to speak. Before we do that, here's the markets. 10-year yields are unchanged, offered at 398 spot 60, I should say. The dollar is 99.69, up 15. The S&P 500 is 68.23. These are spot markets, 880. The NASDAQ is 25,351, up 82. The VIX is 1747, up 25. Gold is 4174, up 11. Silver is 5382, up 49. Copper is 508, up 2. WTI is 5913, down 6 or so. Natural gas is 440, up 1. Bitcoin is 91,618, up 330. A strong weekend. It traded for a couple hours. That's the session right now. Ethereum 3039, up 25. Palladium 1425, down a half a buck. Platinum 1641, up $52. Keep in mind, China's Shanghai exchange added platinum, I think Wednesday, but now it's getting going. And you can rest assured that the buying is on the Chinese exchange right now. Gold, silver 77.50, significantly lower for the last 3 days. Soybeans 11.16, up 8. Corn up 8 at 431, and wheat up 2. So grains are all strong. All right. So these are, I guess you'd call these takes, editorials, depending on how you view this type of work. but having had experience in it and been involved in forensic explanations of situations like this for my own survival, I'd like to offer 3 points of view, all of them possible, some of them more logical than others, some of them uh, more frightening than others. Okay. On the surface,